Okay, so uh, first lesson from the Kuketsu is called Oroshihiza. It's mostly going into more detail on the Hizadai stance that we've already covered before in like an earlier video, a few of the things in the group. But there's an interesting nuance here. So Oroshihiza is more or less translates to the knee that's below. In this case, it's the knee that's below the gun barrel. So in the Kuketsu, it says something roughly along the lines of the barrel, like the underside of it, should not be able to see your knee. What they mean by this is that the daikabu should be over the knee, not the gun itself. So the dolgane should be at least some point past the knee. Let's get that down a little bit just to help illustrate this. So when you're shooting, you need to make sure that your gun is positioned in such a way that it's not going to be pulling back like this. It should probably be in line with a point just a little bit behind the hibasami. The next thing it says in this is not to extend your hand too far forward. So look at these original stocks. Yeah, I can see the handward's about there, so my palm should be, more or less right here. If I extend it too far forward, the gun's going to naturally droop down and my whole stance starts to fall apart. So it emphasizes do not put the hand towards the middle of the barrel, keep it here, and make sure that the barrel can't see the knee. Not a whole lot to it, but it's still an important nuance. If you look at the illustrations, you'll see it very clearly, like the knee is in line more or less at that point right behind the hibasami on the karakuri. So yeah, first lesson from the Kuketsu, Volume 1. If people have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments, whether it's on Facebook or on the YouTube channel. Okay?